Why brain breaks matter.
Mental fatigue can sneak up when working or studying for long periods. Taking brief, intentional breaks helps restore focus, prevents burnout, and improves productivity. Even just a few minutes away from your main task can reset your mind, allowing you to return with fresh energy and sharper attention.
60-second deep breathing.
One of the quickest ways to regain focus is deep breathing. Sit comfortably, inhale slowly through your nose, and exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat for about a minute. This simple hack calms your nervous system, reduces stress, and clears mental fog, preparing you to dive back in with renewed concentration.
Physical movement boost.
Movement can re-energize your brain fast. Stand up, stretch your arms, or do a few jumping jacks. Even walking in place shakes off sluggishness and boosts blood flow to the brain. Just 60 seconds of movement refreshes your mood and primes your mind for better focus.
The power of visual reset.
Staring at the same screen or task can wear down your attention. Practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This quick visual break relieves eye strain, interrupts monotony, and clears your head for improved mental performance.
Mindful mini meditation.
Try a short mindfulness meditation for instant clarity. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and allow thoughts to pass without judgment. Even 1 minute of this practice helps reset your mental state, reduces distractions, and brings you back to your work with a sharper, calmer mind.
Personalized brain breaks.
Choose techniques that fit your preferences, from listening to a favorite song to doodling or stepping outdoors for fresh air. The best brain break is one that genuinely helps you recharge. Experiment with different strategies to find what works, and enjoy the benefits of renewed attention every day.